Okay. We're still rolling. Okay. We can make that into a blooper. Hi, I'm Gina Sunderland, registered dietitian with Manitoba Chicken Producers, and I'm excited to share with you our chicken and navy bean soup. It's flavorful, delicious, super simple to prepare, and it incorporates some economical pantry staples. And it's one of our favorite recipes. So I've just started out with 4 cups of chicken stock in the pot here. And next I'm gonna add our aromatics. So I've got a teaspoon of rosemary, you can use dry or fresh, a teaspoon of thyme, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika that gives this soup just a lovely hint of smoky flavor, and of course we've got a bay leaf. I'm just gonna combine all that, and you guys are gonna be amazed at how easy this soup is to prepare. Oh, it smells good already. The next step is I'm going to add 1 medium diced onion, a couple stalks of celery chopped, and 2 chopped carrots. So I promised there was some pantry staples in this soup, and there is 2 cans of drained and rinsed navy beans. You can use dried and soak them overnight if you'd like. I love the convenience of canned beans. Always great to have on hand. And then one of my favorite pantry staples is a large can of diced and ready tomatoes. And I don't think you could have delicious soup if you didn't have a little bit of garlic. So we've got 1 clove of minced garlic. And now, to let all these flavors blend, I'm just gonna bring this soup up to a boil, and then I'm gonna put the lid on and let it simmer for 30 minutes. Okay, we're gonna have something smelling really good coming your way. At Great Taste of Manitoba, we love sharing delicious recipes with you, but did you know that we can also introduce you to Manitoba's farm families? Check out our over 70 stories about the men and women working in agriculture on our website. Did you know that over 97% of Manitoba chicken farms are family owned and operated? So we've let this cook for about 30 minutes, and next we are gonna add our superstar ingredient. We've got 1.5 pounds of cubed chicken breast, and in this recipe you can use chicken breast or you can use chicken thigh, and I'm just gonna stir that together. And now we're gonna put the lid back on and let that chicken infuse with flavor and cook for about another 30 minutes. All right, let's take a peek. So now that our soup has simmered for 30 minutes and our chicken is beautifully cooked and tender, we have one final step that just boosts the flavor of this soup. We've got 1/2 cup of minced parsley. And then I like to just adjust the flavors a little bit. You can add a little bit of salt and pepper to finish things off. Give it a stir. And I can guarantee this soup smells divine. You can find this recipe below. Let us know if you give it a try.
If you decide to try this recipe at home, we would love to know what you think. We hope you leave this video feeling inspired to cook with local ingredients. Subscribe if you want to see more from us. Thank you so much for watching.